Hey y'all, it's Meso here. Welcome to my kitchen. Come on in. I've been expecting you. What is there better to do on a rainy day than get in that kitchen and make up something delicious? Some comfort food, a snack, an appetizer, whatever you want. Rainy day equals cook day. Okay, so I'm gonna be making something really nice today, really good. You're gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna show you how to do it, and you're gonna make it for your family. They're gonna declare you to be a kitchen rock star, honey. So let's not keep talking about it. Let's go on and be about it, honey. Let's get to it. What are we gonna be making today? Is it the potatoes, the lamb, the green beans? Haha, it's these mashed potatoes, honey. Really good loaded mashed potatoes. So I have some red potatoes here, and I've already washed them, and I am now just peeling them. Gonna get these bad boys all peeled up, and we're gonna make some delicious potatoes. This doesn't take it long at all. It's raining here. It's kind of a gloomy day. I felt like some good comfort food. What better comfort food can you find than mashed potatoes, y'all? So I have already peeled these and then washed them again. I am going to just cut them up into just chunks, just into big chunks. You don't have to get them real little. We're going to mash them. So you can just give them a rough cut, a rough chop. And of course, you make how much you need to make depending on how many people you're going to be feeding. But this right here is going to feed a bunch. I'll put all of the ingredients and the recipe in the description box. I have my water already boiling here, waiting on my potatoes. So I'm going to go in and get these potatoes in the water, and I'm going to let them boil until they get soft. They've already done that, so I poured them through my colander and drained them. I put them back in the same pot I cooked them in, because that pot's still hot. I want to do it that way. I put some butter in there, and I'm just going to mash it a little bit, and I'm going to begin to get my other ingredients. I'm putting some sour cream in. I just put in some pink Himalayan sea salt. You can put any kind of salt you want to put, honey, and pepper, and you do that to taste depending on what your desire is. I'm going to put a lot of garlic in here. I've used powdered garlic, and then I've used some of the chopped garlic. So I'm using both because I want a real strong garlic taste on these potatoes. Now this is a little stiff, so I'm going to put in a couple of tablespoons of evaporated milk, honey. Look how quick this is. Oh, you can do this and then we're ready to eat. Now here's my secret ingredient. Don't you tell anybody this. Everybody says my potatoes are bomb, and they are, but I use this ranch dressing, this ranch seasoning in here. Keep me a jar of it on hand all the time. I put just a little bit more sour cream in, and we are ready to rock and roll, honey. Oh yeah, I feel that kitchen rock star thing coming on. Look at here. I'll serve these up. I'll put some dabs of butter on top. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's butter all on top of them. Oh, they're delicious. Let me get them plated up. Let me let you see what we're doing. So I have here some lamb, and I've got these potatoes, and I've made some green beans and some little crescent rolls. Oh, these potatoes, I can't wait to get into them, honey. Ooh. Look at that. Look, y'all, you see the butter? Oh, these things are stuffed with goodness. Boy, don't get any better than this for a rainy day, for comfort food. How far can we go back with cream potatoes? All the way back to our childhood. Yay, Meso, you knocked it out of the park. You did it, girl. And y'all can do it too. Make this for your family. Load your cream potatoes up and make them taste good. Now, I can hardly wait to get to these green beans because they are delicious. And I've been keeping an eye on these the whole time, honey. Let me show them to you, and I'm going to taste them too. Now, I want you to make these green beans. I put a link to this recipe for the green beans right up in the top right-hand corner. Just go up there and click on that link, and it'll take you straight to this recipe. And believe me, this recipe is worth having. The kids love these green beans. Yeah, another thumbs up. Yeah. Oh God, this is so good. Y'all do it here. I want to thank you guys for coming by to see me today, to see what I was doing, because you knew I would be throwing down. And I hope I did not disappoint, honey. If you like my channel, I want you to subscribe. Hit the red subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. I want you to leave me a comment, share my videos wherever you're active on social media, and give me a big old thumbs up. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, all of these channels, and I'd like for you to come over and visit me, honey, support me, and show me some love. Guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. I thank you. I want you to be well, be safe. Y'all practice taking care of yourself and loving on yourself. Then love somebody else. You'll have something to give somebody else. Love them and show them your love by sharing your food, honey. Tell them Meso said so. Bye-bye.